Pero I'm sure meron kang mga stories dyan na nakaka-shock. Ano yung pinaka nakaka-shock na story na maalala mo?
So, I've never had, out of my 9 years experience being a nurse, I never had a death even with the nursing home. We were doing a minimally invasive procedure and something happened within the heart that we have to open the chest right away. It literally looked like a murder scene because once we opened the chest, blood was splurting out. It was to the point that somebody has to tell me to stop opening instruments or like flipping anything because the patient has
Wala nang magagawa.
passed. Yeah, that was it. And I think I had to get therapy after that. That was one of the experiences I will never forget.
Masasabi mo ba sa mga nurses na matakot sila pag namamatay yung mga pasyente?
No,
Or
I think it's a learning curve. It will only make you better as a nurse and as an advocate for your patient.
Thank you for being there for the patient.
Of course.
Oh my God.
I always treat them like my family, so that's how I have my patients. If you're my patient, expect that it's you be like you're like my mom or like my dad or whoever like I'm related to.
Gusto ko ikaw maging nurse ko pag
Sige ba?
nasa OR ako.